How to fix your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. Here are some methods that may help you with the your connection is not private error in your Google Chrome app. Method 1, check date and time of your computer. Method 2, clear browsing data in Google Chrome. Method 3, or disable unnecessary Chrome extensions. Method 4, clear SSL certificate cache in Internet Properties. Method 5, off SSL or HTTPS scanning in antivirus software. Method 6, use Chrome Cleanup Tool. Method 7, ignoring the error page and proceed to the website.